name's Shannon from HAULCUT. Just want to run through a few safety features of the slasher. An old school slasher, pretty well direct driven to the wheels. A few pinch points and danger areas. Obviously, red danger. Try and keep limbs, loose clothing, and also too, don't start it with loose gravel around on loose gravel or anywhere where it's going to pick something up and shoot it out. Pinch points, keep fingers, hair, loose clothing away from here. Obviously the blades. From the belt, and also to the direct drive, and then also too on the other side. So kill switches or emergency, pull this or put that switch. So they both will shut the engine off. So to start, I'm going to pull this over to dead center. It'll come loose past compression. Let's give it a nice pull. So the brake should be engaged when you start it. So once the brake is disengaged, you'll release your rotors, and that's where all the action starts. To lower the blades down, let's just leave it here. And once again, that's the drive, that's the brake. This lowers the platform down. Releases the blades and moves the platform away from the brake. And that's it in a nutshell. Just when you do it, obviously do it away from people, kids and animals. And also to remember that this will throw debris a long way, so away from windows and cars and whatnot as well. Thank you.